My name is Erwan Alnadufrote. I am the project leader of IDDEA. IDDEA it's for International Digital Defense Agency. And today we propose MEGA. So MEGA it's Military Equipment Guide App. It's an application, as you said, incredible, that provide recognition and identification of equipment, military equipment for loans. This application, it's very easy to use. You just have to take a picture or upload one, and in few seconds you get a result for these pictures. You will see which equipment is it and what capability it got. There is a lot of many capabilities like main armaments, like ammunition, protection, like that. Today we got more than 2,000 of equipment in the application and for 20 categories, and we do updates every day. So it's cover Russia, China, also Iran equipment, but also all the NATO countries. Yeah, this is one of the most important and one of the key of our solution now, because we can add it of every system. It can be a drone, it can be the turret, or any combat management system. So it's very easy to make. So yeah. We just launched the offline mode before BEDEX 2026. It offers all the detail of all the product we got in our application with all the categories. So the people can just download the offline mode and download our catalog of products. And when there are no connection, they can just browse the equipment. We got also the training mode, and the training mode allows the people to know which part of the vehicle is important to identify this vehicle. So we put number of in the pictures, and for each number you can see this part tell this is this vehicles. With this, the people or the military can train with this application. They can train to recognize all the vehicles we got in our database. So we got a website, it's iddeb.com, and you can find the application on all the stores. So it can be the Apple Store or the Google Store, you will find it. Yeah, that's it.
Hi, we are here at BEDEX 2026, an international defense exhibition in Belgium, Brussels, and we are now on the unit who is responsible to train the people about drones, counter-drone solution, and also to train about or use the drones. That's correct?
Yeah, that's correct. We're the Center of Expertise counter-UAS from Artillery Battalion. So we're responsible for the formation for people who will be trained in the equipment for detection, neutralization and destruction of enemy drones. Yeah, so for now, the solutions we have the longest time is detection. So we have the drone shield RF Patrol, and we have the My Defense Wingman 103. So those are drone detectors. They can give us an early warning, okay, there is something from a radio signal coming in, and they can alert us for the presence of drones. Then we have the drone gun MK4 from Drone Shield as well. That's an active jammer. It will take away the RF signal from the drone or the GPS signal from the drone. Yeah, correct. That's the Saab G1X. It's a air defense radar, which now has an extra mode for detection of drones. We're still training on it, and we're still developing, and in a close relationship to the companies. That's actually the shotgun. There's nothing special about the shotgun, but it's actually the munitions that we use that are better for a longer range, and it's more effective against drones because it takes more time for the dispersion of the bullets. Regarding to the way we shoot, yes, because you're shooting a moving target that is in the air, so it takes some time to adjust to pre-aim for your target, and those are special courses we give as well with the small arms that we have. Yeah, so this is the newest addition to our tool set. It's the Blaze Interceptor drone. It works integrated with the Giraffe radar, with the Saab radar, and it will be guided by radar towards the target, and will, in the last phase, use the input of the operator to intercept the drone threat. Well, it's a fact that the new type of war will always have drones implemented. You always have to assume that there is a drone in a theater present. So it's a good thing that we use our tactics and our means as counter drones, but it's also effective to use drones yourself for reconnaissance, for strike operations, training what the enemy has is important as well. I think one of the key factors will be to adapt. If we see the truth in warfare today, it is developing very fast. It is evolving on a daily basis. So every time we have a measure, there is a countermeasure and a countermeasure almost the day after. So the key is to adapt to new situations.